Hello and welcome to New India Junction. I am Richa, bringing you the top stories from Eastern India every Saturday on NIJ East this week. Let's take a look at this week's most important stories. Prime Minister Modi conducted a rally in Assam's Kokrajhar on Thursday. He expressed confidence that the people of Assam will re-elect the NDA government for development, peace and security of the state. He also criticized the Congress AIUDF's Mahajot alliance and termed it as a Mahajhoot alliance. The third and final round of polling will be conducted on 6th April in Assam.
कांग्रेस के लंबे शासन ने असम को बम, बंदूक और ब्लॉकेड में झोंक दिया था। एनडीए ने असम को शांति और सम्मान की सौगात दी है। आप याद कीजिए, ये अटल जी की ही एनडीए सरकार थी जिसने बोडोलैंड टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल का अधिकार आपको दिया था। और ये भी देखिए, एनडीए की वर्तमान केंद्र सरकार है जिसने स्थायी शांति के लिए ऐतिहासिक बोडो अकॉर्ड पर मुहर लगाई है।
Prime Minister Modi addressed another rally on Thursday in West Bengal's Uluberia, where he launched a series of scathing attacks on Mamata-led administration for blocking central schemes that kept development away from the people of Bengal.
भाई और बहनों, दीदी की सरकार ने सिर्फ झूठ किसानों और झूठ मिलों के साथ ही अन्याय नहीं किया, बल्कि यहां के पान और आलू किसानों को भी अपने हाल पर छोड़ दिया। भंडारण की, कोल्ड स्टोरेज की सुविधा के अभाव में आलू किसानों को बहुत अधिक नुकसान में हर बार अपनी उपज को बेचना पड़ता है। भाजपा की डबल इंजन की सरकार की पॉलिसी यहां के जूट उद्योग को बल देने की है। यहां जूट मिलों के मजदूर कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर लगाने के लिए मजबूर है। भाजपा की केंद्र सरकार जूट किसानों से लेकर जूट मजदूरों तक हर एक को मदद पहुंचाने में जुटी है।
Tripura government has made COVID-19 testing mandatory at Agartala airport after a surge in cases in other states. People arriving from abroad will also have to undergo mandatory testing at the Agartala airport. In the wake of police action against pro-democracy protesters in Myanmar that resulted in many casualties, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga urged the centre to tweak its foreign policy on Myanmar and accept refugees from the neighbouring country. This comes after the Union Home Ministry had directed 4 northeastern states, including Mizoram, to take action to prevent refugees from entering the country and that the states had no power to grant refugee status to any foreigner. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong has stated that migrant labourers will be allowed to work in the state under the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act 2020 if they possess valid documents. Migrant workers without documents will not be allowed to work in the state. This comes after a local group alleged attack on its members by some migrant labourers in Walingkat in the East Khasi Hills district. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Sikkim have qualified for Performance Incentive Grant for 2020-21 under Jal Jeevan Mission, Har Ghar Jal of the Union Jal Shakti Ministry. Under this, assured tap water supply will be provided to every rural home by 2024. As per the statement by the Ministry, for Performance Incentive Grant, the criteria include physical and financial progress under Jal Jeevan Mission, functionality of piped water supply schemes and capacity to utilize the fund. Northeastern states have implemented the Jal Jeevan Mission with speed and scale despite hilly terrain and forested areas. The Northeast Frontier Railway has decided to run 3 more Kisan rails to Agartala for transporting potatoes aimed at benefiting the farmers and transporters of the northeastern region. The Indian Railways began running Kisan Rail train services as per the announcement made in the Union Budget this year to transport perishable and agri products. This will help provide a wider market to farmers by connecting production centers to markets and consumption centers in the northeast.
That was all from us today on NIJ East This Week. Do let us know in the comments below what you think of our content. Until next Saturday, goodbye and take care.